it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be sharing 10 cute nail art designs inspired by Disney Pixar films. You can choose to do one as an accent nail, mix or match a few, or you could do all 10. Guys, let us know down in the comments below which of these 10 designs are your favorites. And now let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. My first design is inspired by Nemo from Finding Nemo, so I'm starting off with an orange nail polish. Then with a white nail polish, I'm creating some thick, messy white lines across my nail. Once that's dry, I'm going in with a black acrylic paint and outlining those stripes. Finish with top coat, and there you have your Nemo clownfish striped nail. The next nail is inspired by Selly from Monsters Inc., so I'm starting off with an aqua blue base. Then with a dotting tool and a bluish purple nail polish, I'm creating some random spots across my nail. And finishing with top coat. And I couldn't do Selly without doing Mike, so on my next nail I'm starting with a lime green base, then using a gray nail polish to paint two triangle shapes at the top of my nail for his horns. And I'm adding detail to his horns with the white nail polish here. Then with the white nail polish again, I'm creating a big circle of white in the center of my nail for his eye. And on top of that, putting a smaller blue dot, then a smaller black dot, and finally a little highlight of white in one side, finished with top coat. The next nail is inspired by Eve from WALL-E, so I'm starting off with a white base, then I'm using black acrylic paint to paint a semicircle to be her face. Once that's dry, I'm using a dotting tool and a white nail polish to create two oval shapes for her eyes. I'm doing the white first just so the blue I'm about to put on top will pop. And like I said, painting those white dots blue. Finish with top coat, and there you have Eve. My fifth design is inspired by Up, so I'm starting with a sky blue base, then using a rainbow of colors to create dots all across my nail. Now with a white nail polish and a small brush, I'm creating lines coming down from those dots to be the strings on the balloon. Finish with top coat. The next design is inspired by The Incredibles, so I'm creating their uniform by starting off with a red base. Then with an orange nail polish, I'm creating a thick line across the bottom of my nail. And once that's dry, I'm taking black acrylic paint and painting a smaller black line on top of the orange one. Finish with top coat, and there you have a super easy recreation of the Incredibles uniform. This next nail is inspired by Bing Bong from Inside Out, so I'm starting off with a bubblegum pink base. Then I'm taking this brownish gray nail polish and creating a shape on each side of my nail for his vest. Next, I'm creating his flower pin by using a dotting tool and a few colors. First yellow, then an aqua blue, then a mint green, then a light purple, then orange and red, and a dot of a dark green in the center. Then I'm painting his purple bow tie by creating a dot in the center of my nail and then creating two rounded triangle shapes on each side. Then with a tiny dotting tool, I'm adding some light pink dots to his bow tie. And finishing with a top coat. My next nail is inspired by Coco and all of its sugar skull inspiration. So after painting my nail white, I'm using a black acrylic paint to create 2 dots towards the top of my nail for the eyes. Then I'm using an orange nail polish to outline the black circles with smaller dots. Now with a royal blue nail polish, I'm creating eyebrows above the eyes. Then creating an upside down heart shape with an orange nail polish again for the nose. And then using a light pink to create a curved line across the bottom of my nail. Then I'm painting some short strokes for the teeth. Then apply a top coat to finish your sugar skull. The next nail is inspired by Cars, so I'm starting off with a red base. Then to create Lightning McQueen's face, I'm painting a thick V shape across the top of my nail. I'm painting this little triangle of white at the top here to help recreate the look of Lightning McQueen's grin. Then with a blue nail polish, I'm creating 2 big dots across the white area. Then painting a smaller dot of black on top of that, and a highlight of white on top of that. Then I'm doing a thin outline of the white shape with black acrylic paint. Finish with the top coat, and there you have Lightning McQueen's windshield. And the last design is inspired by Toy Story, so I'm painting my nail brown. And then I'm writing Andy's name just like he does on the bottom of Woody's boot. If you make any mistakes along the way, you can go back in with the brown nail polish to correct them. But the good news is, since Andy's handwriting is not perfect, you can be a little messy here. And finishing that nail with top coat. And there you have all 10 Disney Pixar designs. If you want to see more, you can click these boxes here to watch more Cute Polish videos, and click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.